Hello everyone and welcome back to Dr. Shaurav's classes. So today we will solve this question, and this question is from the ISI BStat BMath examination. Okay, so this examination questions are not about how much you know but about how cleverly you think. Okay, so we will solve this question. Let's read the question first. Prove by induction or otherwise that integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2n plus 1 into x by sine x dx is equal to pi by 2 for every integer n greater than equal to 0. Okay. This is a very nice question. So we have to prove what? For every integer n greater than equal to 0, integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2n plus 1 into x by sine x dx, that is pi by 2. Okay. So whenever you see something like sine 2n plus 1 into x by sine x, yes, it is hiding a series identity. Okay, and there is a famous identity, sine 2n plus 1 x by sine x, that is basically equal to 1 plus 2 into summation of k is equal to 1 to n cos 2k x. Okay, this is a very famous identity. Now this is the moment where the ISI students either become legends or close the paper. This identity comes from the complex number or the sum of cosines or the geometric series. Okay. So now plug into the integral. So integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2n plus 1 into x by sine x dx is integration 0 to pi by 2 1 plus 2 into summation of k is equal to 1 to n cos 2kx dx. Now split the integral. So this is 0 to integration 0 to pi by 2 1 dx plus 2 into summation of k is equal to 1 to n integration 0 to pi by 2 cos 2kx dx. Okay, now easy part first. Okay, integration 0 to pi by 2 1 dx, this is basically pi by 2. Okay, now look at integration 0 to pi by 2 cos 2kx dx. Okay, we compute. So this is basically sine 2kx by 2k 0 to pi by 2. Okay, now at x equal to pi by 2, sine of 2k into pi by 2, that is sine of k pi, that is 0. And at x equal to 0, this is also 0. So basically this integral is equal to 0. Okay, now all cosine terms vanishes. So 2 into summation of k is equal to 1 to n 0, that is 0. So final answer will be what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2n plus 1 into x by sine x dx is basically equal to pi by 2. Proved. Okay, and no matter how large n is, the integral does not change. It always stays at pi by 2. Okay, now we have used the hidden identity recognition and converting the complicated expression into the simple sum and orthogonality of the cosine functions and definite integral killing the oscillations. Okay, so we did that beautifully. And this problem is like inviting 100 noisy guests to a party, but when you integrate they all cancel out and only the host, this is the constant one, remains. Now in ISI you don't just solve the problem, you transform it into something trivial. Okay, now if someone insists on the induction, okay, let in equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2n plus 1 into x by sine x dx, and then show that in minus 1 equal to 0. So all are equal, check the base case n equal to 0. Okay, so next time you see a scary sign ratio, don't panic, okay, just ask what are you hiding inside. So we have just solved a question from the ISI BStat BMath, and I hope this is clear to you. So we will meet at the next session with a new question of the ISI BStat BMath examination. Till then, bye bye.